Hi everyone. The ancient city of Dholavira, the southern center of the Harappan civilization, is sited on the arid island of Khadir in the state of Gujarat, occupied between 3000 to 1500 BCE. The archaeological site, one of the best preserved urban settlements from the period in Southeast Asia, comprises a fortified city and a cemetery. Dholavira is the larger of the two most remarkable excavations of the Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan culture, dating back to 4500 years ago. In the intense environment that comes with being surrounded by the Great Rann of Kutch, this is a unique insight into the pioneering Harappan mind, with one of the world's earliest and best planned water conservation systems and what might be the world's first signboards written in ancient Indus script. The excavation tells us the story of the seven stages of civilization, from the development to maturity to decay, the last of which hints at a strange piece of history with more questions than answers. After the peak of the civilization, Dholavira was temporarily abandoned, after which it seems that the settlers returned into a markedly unurbanized culture. There are hints that they willingly chose to simplify their lives rather than try to ride the collapse of their once glorified civilization. Dholavira, locally known as Kotada, sprawls over 100 hectares of semi-arid land at the northwest corner of the island of Khadir, one of the islands in the Great Rann of Kutch that remain above the floodplains in months when the rest of the desert is submerged by the monsoon. Dholavira has two seasonal nalas or streams, Mansar in the north and Manhar in the south. The journey to Dholavira itself is beautiful, through the saline desert plains of the Great Rann, where wildlife such as Chinkara gazelle can be spotted, nilgai, flamingos, and other birds. The site was unearthed by the Archaeological Survey of India in 1967 but has been systematically excavated only since 1990. Artifacts include terracotta pottery, beads, gold and copper ornaments, seals, fish hooks, animal figurines, tools, urns, and some imported vessels that indicate trade links with lands as far as Mesopotamia. Also, 10 large stone inscriptions were found, carved in Indus Valley script, perhaps the world's earliest signboard. These are among the most important discoveries about the Indus Valley civilization, but remain tantalizingly undeciphered. The remains show an imposing citadel in the center, with a middle and lower town, each fortified separately, built with pleasingly smooth structures of sun-dried brick and stone masonry, and with remarkable town planning. Well laid out lanes lead outward systematically from the citadel, with a well constructed underground drainage system for sanitation. There is a large stadium with a complex structure and seating arrangement. Dholavira has one of the world's earliest water conservation systems ever excavated. Satellite pictures show a reservoir underground, an expertly constructed rainwater harvesting system extending from the walls of the city, without which the settlement would not have thrived in the sparse rainfall of the desert. Dholavira is the fifth largest site in the subcontinent. Like Lothal, it passed through all the stages of the Harappan cultures, while most others saw only the early or late stages. Though it was excavated recently, the Dholavira site has remained free from encroachment in historical periods as well as in the modern era. The UNESCO listing became possible because the site was found free from any kind of encroachment, a rarity in India. UNESCO termed Dholavira as one of the most remarkable as well as preserved urban settlements in South Asia dating from the 3rd to mid-2nd millennium BCE. Since the excavation at the site, the ASI has developed a museum here. Dholavira, a village with a population of around 2000, is the nearest human settlement at present. Near the ancient city is a fossil park where wood fossils are preserved. Thank you.